Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how the difference between a protected and unprotected turn. So, welcome to drivers. Welcome to drivers education. So, when you first start out driving, you might be confused on why on the stoplights there are two symbols that appear sometimes. So sometimes you just see a green one, but other times you see a green one and an arrow. So what does that mean? What that means is that this turn is protected. Well, protected from what, you ask? Protected from oncoming traffic. And that's another term. What does oncoming traffic really mean? So, POV. You are on the road. Boom, boom, boom. So these are two lanes, and we're going. One's going this way, and the other one is going this way. So, two-way road, and we have a turn here, and of course you have the other side of the road if you were to continue straight. So this is an intersection. Now, oncoming traffic. So first, oncoming traffic is subjective to you. So we have to find out what you are. So you are purple. Okay, you are the purple player. So this is you here. Oncoming traffic will be traffic coming, pause, will be coming this way. This is oncoming traffic. Boom. This is oncoming traffic. Oncoming towards you. If it's going away, it is not oncoming. It is outgoing. So that is what protection means. So when you are on the intersection and you want to make this left turn here, this is what you want to do, right? You want to make the left turn. But you have oncoming traffic. So when you are making the left turn, you do not want to be coming, pause, onto people that will be coming on you because you are going to crash and burn. And we do not want that. So you want protection, okay? Never drive without protection. And that is what he said. Pause. So, every time you see the symbol green, that means you go straight, right? Green means go. But with the addition of a protected turn, that means that for the other people, the other folks on the oncoming side, this is red. So they will stop and you can go safely because it is a protected turn. Without this arrow, that means that this is green. That's not green. An unprotected turn means this is green and this is green. So both y'all are wanting to come, pause again. So oncoming traffic is coming and you want to make this left turn, but they're also going. So this is an unprotected turn. On big intersections like highways, there will always be a protected turn. They're never going to make you yield. So yielding means that it's not protected. So you got to wait for it to be clear. And you see an opening, a hole, you will come into that hole, pause, and you will go in here. So now you know the difference between a protected and unprotected turn. So when you're driving, make sure to have some protection.